Hey, how are you today? I am great because it's beautiful outside, and that made me think about what do you do for spring cleaning? So now that the weather is nice, it just makes me want to open the windows, clean the house, get everything organized because once summer is here, I don't want to be in the house cleaning and organizing anything. So I've really been trying to kick it in the gear and get our house ready for summer because I am over being trapped in the house. Now, when I used to clean the house, it would stink really bad. I'd have to open the windows because there were so many different chemicals, from window cleaners to dusting spray to carpet scent stuff to dryer sheets. And I would get headaches and feel nauseous. And I kind of had accepted the fact that I was going to be sick every time I scrubbed a bathtub, because you think about it and you're down in there scrubbing, and bathrooms usually aren't ventilated very well. And so my whole life I just pretty much thought you had to feel sick when you cleaned. And then once we switched from toxic chemicals in our house to natural plant-based ones, I am absolutely amazed at the difference and how clean everything still gets. So I'm going to share with you my top 5 products for cleaning. So as you see, there's a theme. It is the Thieves products from Young Living. I'm a huge fan. Thieves essential oil itself is very cleansing and purifying. So just diffusing that is great for your air. I love diffusing Thieves and purification together to cleanse the air and get everything fresh. Purification and lemon together smells amazing. So first little trick are replacing your hand soaps with the Thieves foaming hand soap. Now you get these and you can get them singularly or in a 3-pack. And the trick is these are concentrated. So when you get this, you can just use it straight, or if you're frugal and like to make your dollar last a little bit, what I do is, if you have the big refill bottles, they make the Thieves hand cleaner or hand wash refills. I don't have one because apparently I got rid of it. So what you can do is just take a mason jar and put like 2/3 of it in a mason jar. So keep about 1/3 of your bottle and then top it off with diluted or distilled water. So you're diluting your bottle by 2/3, and then you can keep filling these up. So 1/3 water, or 1/3 soap, 2/3 distilled water. Use distilled water because tap water, can leave different deposits and stuff, and it isn't always the best for your skin and whatnot. So these are awesome. Get the 3-pack, and you can put one in your kitchen and one in each bathroom. If you have another bathroom, then just add a separate one, because you can buy the 3-pack or the 1-pack. So that's one of my favorite things. Like, get rid of your nasty hand soaps that have the fragrances in them, because they're not doing anything to help your health by any means. These smell really good and they're amazing. Hand wash. Okay. My next little trick, let's see. So washing produce, right? Fruit and vegetables. The Thieves fruit and veggie wash, I thought, like, well, I already wash my produce really well, but I got the little size one free 1 month in my order. So I was like, well, I got it for free, I'll check it out. And so I did an experiment with grapes. So I had put my grapes in my sink with my vinegar and a little bit of lemon oil like I had before, and I kind of like washed them and whatnot. And then I put them in a bowl with the fruit and veggie wash. My grapes were not getting clean. Probably none of our produce was really getting very clean. This stuff breaks down all of the like waxy stuff, all the ick, all the stuff from your fruit and vegetables. So I just throw everything in the sink with one little cap full. I've had this bottle for over a year and it still is like to here. So it's going to last a long time because I just fill the little cap full. Sometimes I only fill it half full. And the travel size one is great to keep in your car and your purse. So when you're out and about and your kids want an apple or something, if you haven't washed it yet, you can just spray it off and wipe it. So definitely you can try the travel size version to see if you like it before you invest in the bigger bottle. But the stuff is amazing. So good stuff. Okay. Dish soap. So when I first got this, you guys, I blew through this bottle in like a week because we are used to having sudsy water for our dishes, right? Like, so when you switch to natural dish soap, you lose some of the suds. Well, a lot of the suds. But my dishes were still getting really clean. I just kept wanting to add more soap. So I saw a little hack that a lady had, about the same, the third. She left like a third of the dish soap and put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in it and filled it up with distilled water, hot distilled water. So I did that. I put distilled water in my teapot and got it hot, added the baking soda, and it's more liquidy. And then I put a pump on it, and this makes it so much more sudsy. So this is really 3 bottles in one, and I didn't know that. So again, a lot of the Thieves products, a lot of the Young Living products are going to be really concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. This stuff is also amazing for cleaning cupboards. If you have handprints and like oily residue all over your knobs and cupboards, this cuts grease like no other. So it's great for cleaning all those hard areas too. And lemon is great for adhesive remover. So if you have any sticky stuff or marker, that kind of thing, check out your lemon oil. Okay, now I don't have a dishwasher. So why do I have the Thieves dishwashing powder? This is great for bathtubs, toilets, sinks, anything where you need a little bit of abrasion. So I was using baking soda, but it just wasn't giving me enough grit. And then I was using washing soda, but I got tired of mixing everything up. So there's a little scoop included in here, and I just fill it. For my bathtub, I do 1 scoop and just sprinkle it around, but the toilet, I do about half of it. So I just sprinkle it around, and it's just a really fine powder. I don't know if you can see that, but it works great. Ooh, a little blow up there. So I really like this for scrubbing anything like tubs, toilets. So what I do is just get my tub wet, I'll spray it out first, sprinkle this in, and then I use my very favorite cleaning product ever in the history of the world, which is the Thieves household cleaner. So this is mixed up, so then I just spray my tub, spray my toilet, let it sit, and then I can go back and scrub it, and it works amazing. No headaches, no toxic odors. It smells like gingerbread. I'll take that any day. Okay, Thieves household cleaner, amazing. This is like a 14.4 ounce bottle. This will make 29 bottles of cleaner. So it's about $22. It'll make 29, 30, however much you dilute it. So for this bottle, this is 16 ounces. So it's 1 capful, which is a half of a tablespoon. So 1 capful to 2 cups of water. Always use distilled water because then you don't have to worry about water spots. But with this stuff, you guys, I clean everything. This bottle, we have 1 in the bathroom, 1 in the kitchen. They're just everywhere. We clean our countertops. I've cleaned produce with these in a pinch. Windows, mirrors. I've put the concentrate in my carpet cleaner and cleaned my carpets. My oven, use that dishwasher powder and your Thieves in your oven to clean it. I've used it for laundry. I've cleaned my floors with it. Actually, I just put a little bit in my steamer. I know you're not supposed to put stuff in there, but I do put the Thieves in there. And actually, I did an experiment this winter with this in our humidifiers. Instead of putting the chemicals in, I did this, and it worked awesome. So the only thing is we have really hard water, so there was a lot of mineral deposits left in there. So I might have to look into that, but it worked great. So this bottle will replace every cleaner that you use. All of them. Not kidding. Wouldn't lie. All of them. I used to have the tote I'd carry around with all my cleaners. Now I just have my bottle. So those are my favorite cleaning products from Young Living. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Check out my other videos. Hit me up with any questions and have a great day. Happy cleaning.